Hey, is this thing on?
Hey, Sid, what do you say? What you want to learn today?
I want to know why things happen and how, and want to know everything.
Good morning, class. We are going to discuss about the movements of the Earth's crust.
We are your teachers for today.
I'm teacher Marialyn, and I am teacher Jossel.
Would you believe if someone told you that about 200 million years ago, the land and water parts of the Earth were not in the positions they are found today?
Long ago, people believed that the land and water parts of the Earth were in fixed position. However, with the use of modern instruments that could go deep in the ocean, scientists were able to gather data which explained that land and water did move and are still moving. Let's find out how the Earth's crust moves and how the movement produced many changes on the Earth's surface.
Oh, your fault.
Alfred Wegener, a German meteorologist studying the climates of different continents, discovered striking similarities in the rocks and fossil of plants and animals in the different continents separated by large bodies of water called tangents.
Yeah.
It was not only the continent that scientists found to be moving. By studying the ocean floor, scientists discovered the mid-ocean ridge system. This is a submarine mountain chain winding about 84,000 kilometers through all the ocean.
For the study of water data, scientists were able to develop the theory of plate tectonics. According to this theory, the Earth crust in the upper mantle, which together form the lithosphere, is broken into 9 large plates and several smaller ones. These plates are moving around and their movement cause change in the Earth crust.
The plates that carry continents are called continental plates and are formed after the continents they carry. The plates that carry oceans are called oceanic plates and are named after the oceans they carry. Plates can move in any of these ways. First, away from each other. Second, toward each other. Third, fly past one another.
Plates have boundaries. The kind of boundary between the plate moves. Plates moving away from each other form divergent boundary, while those moving toward each other or colliding from a convergent boundary. Plates that slide past one another form a transferable boundary.
Two oceanic plates diverge or move away from each other. The lithosphere is pulled and turned apart. As magma gradually moves out from the ridge, it forms new oceanic crust on both sides. As it pushes the old oceanic crust farther and farther away from the ridge, the mid-ocean ridges consist of a chain of mountains about 16,000 kilometers long through 3 major oceans. One of these is the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, which was formed when the North Atlantic Plate moved away from the Eurasian and African plates.
While a near crust is added at the divergent boundaries, the opposite happens at convergent boundaries. When two continental plates converge or move toward each other, they become joined in full rest with pressure from opposite sides. The adjoining plates become uplifted and form of a mountain range.
The Himalaya mountain range was formed when the Indian plate and the Eurasian plate converged. Up to this time, The mountains rise about 5 centimeters higher each year. The Alps in Europe was also formed in a similar manner. In the Philippines, the Sierra Madre Mountains and the Cordilleras were formed in like manner.
The edge of the oceanic plate sinks into the asthenosphere is called a subduction zone. Volcanoes are formed along subduction zones.
When the two continental plates move away from each other, a rift valley is formed. Volcanoes from along the rift. The Great Rift Valley of East Africa is an example of a rift valley. Actually, it is a string of sunken valleys in lake basins about 4,000 kilometers long. As the rift grows, wider it begins to sink. Water from the sea comes in and covers the rift valley. According to scientists, the southern part of the Red Sea and the Gulf of Aden are already at this stage. Look for these two places in a map.
And in the oceanic continental convergence, the meeting of two oceanic plates also results in the formation of subduction zone. The edge of the denser plate opens under the other and down into the atmosphere, where it melts. A crust is also formed at the subduction zone. Earthquakes occur when plates slide past one another on the same or opposite directions. Question number 1. The plates that carry continents are called? Very good. Continental plates are named after the continents they carry. Question number 2. It is formed when plates moving away from each other is called? Very good. Divergent boundary. Question number 3. The place where the oceanic plate goes down into the asthenosphere is called? Very good. A subduction zone. Important points to remember. The convergence of two continental plates results in the formation of mountain ranges. The convergence of a continental plate and an oceanic plate results in the formation of subduction zones and volcanoes. Boundaries. The Earth's crust consists of several plates that are moving in different ways. In these movies, pose changes in the Earth's crust. Once again, this is Teacher Marialyn and this is Teacher Jossel. Thank you for watching.